Hello students, we will discuss in this video about a numerical problem related to multiplication theorem on probability. Since problem is a urn have 10 black and 5 white balls. 2 balls are drawn from the urn one after the other without replacement. What is the probability that both drawn balls are black? That means in this question says that one urn means a bag, suppose this is a bag, and in this bag there are 10 black balls, 10 black balls and 5 white balls. From this urn, 2 balls are drawn one by one, means first one ball is drawn and putting that ball on the outside from this urn, and again another ball drawn from this bag. Question that what is the probability that both drawn balls are black? This is the question. What will be probability that first ball and second ball, both balls will be black? Condition that this is the without replacement. That means first ball drawn from this bag and don't put in the bag again. That ball put outside of this bag and then next ball drawn from this bag. What is the probability of both balls will be black? Now we are right to solution. Since number of black balls in urn is equal to 10, number of white balls in urn equal to 5. Suppose or let E is the event of first ball, drawn, and F is the event of second ball drawn. Question is, what is the probability of both balls will be black? That means P of F intersection E. This is the question. Since P of E equal to, that means first ball is drawn from this bag and first ball is, suppose this is the black. One ball is black and we drawn from this bag. Since total number of ball in this bag, we write here, since total number of balls in bag equal to, means in urn, this terminology is used in this question, in urn equal to 10 black balls plus 5 white balls. That means 10 plus 5, this is the 15. Means total number of balls in this urn is 15. Now out of these 15 balls, one ball is drawn from this bag and suppose this ball is black, because in this question say that what is the probability of both balls are black. So therefore probability of first ball is black. This is denoted by equal to P of E, since E is the event of first ball is drawn. This will be equal to favorable event upon total event. That means in this bag there are 10 black balls and one black ball is drawn from this bag. So there are 10 ways to draw the black balls one by one from this urn. So favorable event will be 10 and total event will be 15 because there are 15 balls in the bag. So this is the 15. That means this will be 2 upon 3. P of E equal to 2 upon 3. Since first ball put outside of urn and again draw second ball. Since as you see here, F is the event of the second ball drawn from that urn. Therefore, probability of second ball is black when first ball is already black. That means P of F slash E. This is the conditional. So this will be, if first ball is drawn in this bag, first ball is drawn in this bag and that ball is black. So therefore remaining number of black balls in that bag will be 10 minus 1. Remaining number of black balls in this urn equal to 10 minus 1. That means 9 balls. And total number of balls after one ball is drawn from this urn. That means this will be 15 minus 1. This will be 9 upon 14. This is the probability of second ball is black when first ball is already black. Therefore, probability of both balls are black. Therefore, probability of both balls are black is equal to, denoted by P of E intersection F equal to P of E into P of F slash E by the multiplication theorem of probability. This will be equal to P of E. P of E is 2 upon 3 and P of F slash E is equal to 9 upon 14. This will be cancelled. 9 by 3, this will be 3 and 14 by 2, this is the 7. That means 3 upon 7. Therefore, both probability of both balls drawn will be black is 3 upon 7. Now in the next video we will discuss about the independent event.